Good morning. Right, today I'm going to show you how to solve a function. Okay. So you've seen how to work out values by substituting in a value and finding an answer. But today, let's look at solving. So, given, here's a good example for you. Given f of x, my function in x is equal to 5x, which is 5 times x. Solve f of x is equal to minus 25. So what I need to do here is I need to find what value of x will give me minus 25. Okay, I started off with a relatively straightforward one. So what we do though, to set up a process so we can see how it's done, is if my function is 5x, and I know I'm looking for a value that gives me the number of minus 25, I make these two things equal to each other. So 5x must equal minus 25. Now to find out the x value, I need to work out this 5x down to 1x. So if I divide this by 5, I get my 1x, and if I divide this by 5, I get my minus 5. That is my answer. X equals minus 5, and I've solved the function. Okay. Let's look at another example where it gets a little bit difficult, a little bit harder even. Right, given g of x is equal to 3x minus 8. Solve, or find the value of x, g of x equals 40. So what we want to do is find the value of x that will give me 40 as an answer. So I take my function, 3x minus 8, and I make it equal to the 40. And then I solve my equation. Now we've solved lots of equations, so we should be able to do this. So I need to undo it so that I have x equals something. Okay, so I need to undo this minus 8. So I add 8 to both sides. And I'm left with 3x equals 48. Then I need to undo this times by 3. So I divide both sides by 3. And I'm left with 48 divided by 3. 3's into 4 is 1 with a remainder of 1. 3's into 18 is 6. X equals 16. Okay. Let's do one more question. Right, h of x, given h of x is equal to 2x plus 5 divided by 3. Solve h of x equals 12. Find the value of x. Okay, that's what it's asking for. It's asking for us to find the value of x that gives us 12. So let's do what we've been doing before. No change. This function is equal to 12. So I'll do it over here this time. 2x plus 5 divided by 3 equals 12. Now I need to undo this again. I need to rearrange it so that it's x equals. So first of all, I need to undo this divide by 3. So I'm going to times both sides by 3. And I get 2x plus 5 equals 36. Then I need to undo this plus 5. So I'm going to minus 5 from both sides. And I get 2x equals 31. Then I need to undo this times by 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And we get left with x equals 31 over 2. Or you could write it as a decimal. I prefer fractions, which is equal to 15.5. Either of those answers is good. I would have a tick for both of them. Okay. That's it. That's the method you need to use today. I will supply you with some questions, so off you go.